Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am kind of sick. Like my nose is blocked, but I still went to school. Like, of course I always do. So I was pretty bored. And my friend has a place, and it's called that place, like sorry. So we're gonna play some Tower Mystery, cause I really feel like some Tower Mystery. So yeah. How to do that thing, like one word will be like that, and I feel it would be hard when you do this. So I understand the assignment and taste dusty floor. Yeah, so my explain. What the fuck? He's calling mom and daddy. Okay, so I was like another question for you. I want to know what your name is. Like, I'm sorry. Tower of Hell. I've never played that. Sorry about that. Yeah. Over here. I've played this for sure. I think I've played this like Tower of Hell. They're like kind of the same. I don't remember really playing it that much. Oh my god! Look, I'm like a hat noob girl with no, I'm just a frog girl now. So this one's kind of different. I remember playing this, and I wanted to pee my pants because I kissed the floor and I liked the taste of its dusty chapstick. Yeah, so I'm kind of rich now, guys, so don't talk to me. I'm joking. I only have 2 followers. 2 subscribers. I mean, those are my friends. I'm not even I can't even pass this. I'm not a good pro. I want to see what I'm doing this. So I wonder what it's like, cause I'm like not a pro at all, so like whatever. Let's just do this. Whoa! I just fell straight up. That was kind of easy though, like yo. Isn't hard. I fell again. I suck at this. Why is it foggy? Is this meant to be hard? Like, are you trying to... I don't get it. Why am I not jumping? Like, how are you on blue? Like, I swear, if you fall, like, people can be like, if you're at the top and, like, you fall. It's like rage. Yeah, I can't find the exit, because, okay, I don't want to be here. I can't even, like, find. Why is it called noob? Like, it's not noob. It's just, why does it say noob? Oh, I have 6 minutes. I didn't know this was. How the fuck are you a blue? What is? I bet this one's easy too. I bet it's easy. I don't know what's wrong with me, man. Why do people have like these jumpy things? This one just fall. Lol. I didn't say it. I don't say those cuss words, guys. Stop. Wait. Don't say cuss words, guys. It's inappropriate and violent. I just got to. Why does he like twins? I'm gonna be like, oh gosh, he wants to get adopted. No. People are like really weird nowadays. Playing this. Like, I hate this. Like, I don't know if I'm good at this game. No. No. Like, I don't even know if I want to rate you. Piss on this game. So I see that no one's visits have been free. It's okay. I guess. Oh yeah, I know one. What's this? Let's just find some Christmas games. Why don't we have any Christmas games? Christmas obbies. I'm bored. I want to play Mega Obby. Let's play Mega Obby. Why are they always called Mega Obby? And why are like 50,000 people on it? By sheer. Oh my god. How do I get badge reward? I just started this. This looks easy. What the frick? I don't like that. I don't like that. That's annoying me. That was also annoying me. My jump is like down. Like my jaw. Oh my god. What is this supposed to be? Why are people doing that way? Like what the biome? Okay, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna go here. I'm on level 6. Sick. It's not. I was meant to be like poisonous. Anyways, there's like a slice of cake. I wonder where people are. Yeah, I don't know. I realized like how do people get on the like stage when you like have to start all over again? Like I just realized that. Like, do you, like, play it for, like, 5 years? Like, you never get off it. Like, you just be like, Mom, I'm dead. Like, I don't want to play this. Like, fine. No. Okay, in this, I play, like, different games. If I feel like if I get views, I'd probably get, like... So I play Adopt Me. So I'm going to play Adopt Me in my next video. Not for views, because I actually want to check Adopt Me. Hi. Hi. Hi! Why?
Because you can have a break from it, please. And I'm going to cook you dinner.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's not happening. No. I'm like takeout. Are you serious? Is this like the hardest you do? Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa, everything's getting glitchy. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna do the glitching. Okay, why people play this? Am I the only one? I feel like I'm the only one playing this right now.
Ethan!
I don't see anyone. What the? Boom. 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 Jam, 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 jam. 19. How I just started this. Okay. What does this mean to me? How is that 20? For the video, I don't know. Or did it just go easier? I think, like, I don't think anyone, like, no, I understand why people. Because you probably finished in like seconds. On stage 40 seconds.
Ethan! You and your sister can come out and dry the dishes. Sophia, you and your brother can dry the dishes for me.
Okay, you shoot in there. I don't see him though.
Can we see? Come on, Miss Mom. Never should take time.
What?
You need to come out and dry the dishes
I said
now.
I was sick.
Huh?
Okay. I'm gonna go try the dishes. Shit.
Okay, I'm gonna join the different. Just come back for part 2 or not, because I can be all this. Bye, besties. Okay, bye.